In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add debit card to Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Linking your debit card with your Robinhood investment account is extremely simple. It is going to be a default option and they have it available on the latest version of the app. So before starting, I recommend that you open the Google Play Store if you are on Android or the App Store if you are on iOS and you update Robinhood to the latest version available. Now, once you have the latest version of the Robinhood mobile app, open it up and tap on the account icon located at the bottom of your screen. When you go over to your account page, you will have plenty of options, and the one that you have to go into to link your debit card is going to be transfers. So go into transfers where you can find deposits, withdrawals, and brokerage account transfers. When you go into this menu, you will be able to select plenty of options. So you have, for example, transfer money, manage recurring deposits, wire transfer, and transfer accounts. To actually link a new debit card, you just have to scroll down and you will find the linked accounts category. At the bottom, you have the plus sign next to add account. When you tap this option, you will be redirected to another page where finally you can choose the account type that you want to link, and between the options is going to be a debit card. So as you can see, they offer instant transfers for debit card. So this is going to be by far the quickest option if you are looking into getting to use Robinhood in the same day. If you choose bank account, you will go through the standard process of signing into your bank account and then authorizing the link. However, it can take up to 4 or 5 business days. So if you choose debit card, which has a $1,000 daily deposit limit, you will notice that all you have to do now is input the details about your debit card. So the card number, expiry date, and the CVV, also known as the security code. It is extremely straightforward, and all that you have to do is go over to the transfers menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card to Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.